burst, just like you were a bubble. Throw me up on the wall just to get me out of trouble.
Anyway, big secret. Shh. Oh, and don't leave your garbage all lying around. It's a total dick move. Go.
We're dancing, not really, not yet. It's literally a Tuesday night, and I look like this.
So he stayed in bed, like, going back.
What are you gonna do?
Thank you again. Round of applause for everyone for coming tonight.
So, it's raining, it's pouring. No one told me. We don't have umbrellas. It's a good thing I brought 2 jackets because you know, girl has no coverage. This is like the situation where it's like, you know, your boyfriend gives you a jacket to cover yourself in the rain, but in my case, it's my best friend. Wait, what's the guy's name? I'm Chad. You're literally Chad. Taylor McKessie. Wait, did it stop? No, it's still kind of drizzling. So, yeah. That's what's happening right now. All right, so I'm to go back underneath my cape. Oh my god. I look so sad. Your hair is exposed. Well, this is really funny. It's better than nothing. My phone's getting wet, so I'm gonna continue this later. Hey. Well, hi Audrey's vlog. Oh my god, you do that every time. I do that to Janine's too. I'm like, hi Janine's vlog. Well, you have your own like trademark saying. Yeah. If you don't know who I am, if you're a new subscriber to Audrey's vlog. Wait, there's only our friends. Subscribe to her channel, and then if you want, you can check out me. My name is SassySammi. Oh my god. She'll put me in the description box below. What? I didn't agree to this. My manager didn't tell me about it. Wait! Your people did not contact my people. Just got out of class and it's sunny as I don't understand. What the hell? My shoes. I'm so confused. Oh my god. Hello. So there's a guy that she was attracted to that's here, and what is it? Four guys now? 3 guys? I have no idea.
How many? 1, 2.
Oh my gosh, she's literally counting on
3,
her hand.
4. This.
Who?
The one in PBO. Count. No. Nah.
Wait, who's in PBO? Edmund?
Yeah.
Yeah, he counts.
But that's like all 3 of ours.
Yeah, but that still counts.
Okay.
I only have 2. Wait, that sounds bad still. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Jesus.
Oh! No! It's just like be there. I'll be there.
I can't do this part.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh man!
I am here to stay. You and I belong.
God.
I'll rock with you all night.
This is dangerous. I need to pay attention to the room.
Yeah.